फाइनल स्टेप लगाने वाले हैं। प्रोडक्ट वही जो हमने एज यूजुअल आपको बता रखा है, प्रोफेशनल्स के ही चलेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू। आपको दिख रहा होगा प्रोडक्ट। हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू द पी स्क्वायर सैलून। आज मैम आई है हमारे पास प्रीतमपुरा से। प्रीतमपुरा से थोड़ा सा दूर पड़ता है सैलून। मैम ने आज से 2-3 साल पहले कैराशाइन कराया था। कैराशाइन या कैरा स्मूथ, जिसको आप स्मूथनिंग और प्लस कैराटिन का कॉम्बो कहते हो। तो मैम के हेयर थोड़े से ज़्यादा डैमेज हो गए हैं, या इसको आप बर्नआउट कह सकते हो, जिससे कि कलर भी फेड हो गया। मैम का नेचुरल कलर अलग है, ये कलर फेडेड हो गया है। तो अब ये मैम को रिपेयर कराना है। रिपेयर कैसे होगा वो चीज़ बताएंगे, क्योंकि अब इसके अंदर सीधा करने के लिए, अच्छा करने के लिए कैराटिन नहीं लगा सकते, या स्मूथनिंग नहीं कर सकते। स्मूथनिंग या स्ट्रेट थेरेपी या फिर रिबॉन्डिंग नहीं कर सकते। इन तीनों चीज़ों के लिए अमीनो थायोफोलैक्टोनेट चाहिए होता है, जो बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग केमिकल होता है। अगर इन हेयर्स में हमने वो केमिकल लगा दिया तो बाल टूट जाएंगे, खराब हो जाएंगे, हाथों में आ जाएंगे। ठीक है, तो कैसे होगा स्टेप टू स्टेप। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम वॉश करेंगे बालों को। वॉश करने के बाद ड्राई करके इसको प्रॉपर तरीके से ट्रीटमेंट्स लगाएंगे। कैसे होता है आप देखते रहिए। थैंक यू, स्टे ट्यून्ड, पी स्क्वायर सैलून।
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Like nothing I felt, my mind overwhelms. I think that I'm broken, but I hope you can't help. I know I'm not perfect, but some days I feel far more worthless. Baby, you make me feel nervous. If I still have you, I have purpose. It's all worth it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence, the volatility of...
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, ये देखिए आप पूरा प्रोसेस हो गया ऑलमोस्ट। ये बिफोर वॉश का रिजल्ट है। इसके बाद जो अगली इमेज आ रही है वो आफ्टर वॉश की होगी, ठीक है। आपको बिफोर वॉश दिखा रहे हैं ऑलमोस्ट, ये आप दिखा रहे हैं कि आपको ये प्रेसिंग या फिर उसके बाद ट्रीटमेंट के बाद कैसा दिख रहा है। अब वॉश के बाद बताना कितना रिकवर आता है। ऑलमोस्ट मुझे लग रहा है कि इसके नियर बाय ही आएगा रिजल्ट, ठीक है। वो बात मानने वाली कि प्रेसिंग है, इतना स्ट्रेट या इतना शाइनी नहीं होगा, थोड़ा अप डाउन होगा।
Like my only confidence, is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just...
ऑलमोस्ट अभी फाइनल नहीं है, लास्ट स्टेप रह गया है इसका। आपको देख रहा होगा रिजल्ट कैसा है। फाइनल स्टेप लगाने वाले हैं। प्रोडक्ट वही जो हमने एज यूजुअल आपको बता रखा है, प्रोफेशनल्स के ही चलेंगे। ओके, थैंक यू। आपको दिख रहा होगा प्रोडक्ट, बाकी तो आपको मेंशन तो हम कर ही देते हैं वीडियो के एंड में, ठीक है। तो वही चीज़ है, आप देखते रहिए, स्टे ट्यून। आवाज़ आ रही होगी, रिजल्ट पे नजर रखिए। इसके बाद आपको वॉश के बाद ही दिखाएंगे रिजल्ट फाइनल, जिसके ऊपर प्रेसिंग नहीं की हुई होगी। सिर्फ ड्रायर से सुखाएंगे बालों को, विदाउट प्रेसिंग आपको फाइनल रिजल्ट दिखाएंगे भी हैंड टू हैंड। ओके, थैंक यू।
The start of it, I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have it douse, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. 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 Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise. You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
ओके गाइस, फाइनल रिजल्ट आ गया आफ्टर वॉश का। देखिए ये मैम का हमने वॉश कर दिया, वॉश के बाद कोई प्रेसिंग या कुछ नहीं किया है, ये फाइनल रिजल्ट है। अभी हैंड टू हैंड जो अभी लास्ट क्लिप बनाई थी उसके बाद की आधे घंटे बाद की वीडियो है, ये देखिए आप इसको इनसाइड से देखिए, कहीं से भी प्रॉपर रिजल्ट मिलेगा आपको। ये विदाउट वो आफ्टर वॉश है, विदाउट एनी प्रेसिंग, ठीक है। ये रिपेयर थेरेपी का रिजल्ट है। आप कितने भी बर्नआउट हेयर हो, काफ़ी हद तक उसको रिकवर करता है रिपेयर थेरेपी एज प्रोफेशनल का। आपको प्रोडक्ट दिखा दिया गया है। तो और ये वेरी करता है रिजल्ट हर बार वेरी करेगा अकॉर्डिंग टू हेयर सिचुएशंस। आपकी हेयर की सिचुएशन बहुत अच्छी है तो रिजल्ट इससे भी अच्छा आ सकता है। अगर आपकी सिचुएशन बहुत ज़्यादा डाउन है तो रिजल्ट वेरी करेगा, अप डाउन होगा। अदरवाइज रिजल्ट जरूर आएगा। रिजल्ट के साथ साथ रिपेयर थेरेपी स्टेट भी देता है। वो स्टेट कितना आ रहा है वो देख लीजिए आप। हम 70 to 80% कमिट करते हैं, बट ये आपको खुद पता हो कितने परसेंट है। ओके, थैंक यू।